Fun with colors! Hi friends, let's learn how to draw a kangaroo. Let's begin with the face. The kangaroos have big ears. Let's draw a bow. This is the hand. Wow! Do you see? Sun has come up. It's a bright sunny day. Do you know? Kangaroos have big foot. And now, let's draw the tail. This is the eye. This kangaroo has an umbrella in its hand. Do you know baby kangaroos live inside a pouch on their mother's belly, and baby kangaroos are called joey. The kangaroo is ready. Let's color with fun with colors. Do you know which color is this? Correct! This is yellow color. So, let's put yellow color in the face and the body. Okay, so meanwhile, when we are coloring, let me tell you something about kangaroos. Kangaroos have big muscular tail. Also, they have strong back legs, large feet, short fur on their body, and long pointed ears. Kangaroos are found in Australia. Do you see a kangaroo picture on the top? It's so funny! Let's keep coloring the legs with yellow color. Let's color the tail with orange color. Do you like drawing and coloring? I like it so much. This is pink color. What is your favorite color? The kangaroo is looking so colorful. Can you guess this color? Correct! This is purple color. This is green color. Can you tell me which color is this? Right, this is brown color. Do you like kangaroos? Aren't they so cute? Ta-da! It's ready! For more coloring videos, subscribe to the channel and like the video. We will see you in our next video soon. Bye!